Kuba muri Mbarara City South Division nemwe myanya herukuturwamo abantu nyamwingi kandi herukucera kugira imishango y'ubuhenda biragiro bamwe ho muri yabo abarukutura muri Kuba n'abeegi kuruga hitendekero ya Bishop Stuart University herukushangwa mu kichwekeki izo bari hanyuma abaziyo Abeby'Okwerinda bakwatanise n'itendekereri bagiziraho kushomesa Abeegi abarukwingora mu 13 abegisire ahitendekereri ahanshonga z'Abeby'Okwerinda mu kichwekeki hekibarabe batura Professor John Mugisha Vice Chancellor w'itendekero ya Bishop Stuart University hacuburire aha bwenshi bashaziremo kugira kushomesoko
barwo myanye ndijo emwe yo mu byaro nitumanye bizibe bakubasa kushanga omwanya musenko kugwa town kimwari gebyo no kushanga bakaza bakuru babategereza n'abashije bakuru abamwe n'abashubuzi Nibenda batasi mu bintu ebikorwa emwe byo bushamba bababihabiso busente abitwa Abeegi tubashobora kandi mwahorana tukigamba ngo kugira hanga okuguma uhurire Okwerinda kubasa kukwita imibaze yo kutokoza ubwonko amara na n'ubushambane ibyo ko kubyerinda nibonije ko umusinguzi
orukura polisi ahaborembo rwambara SP Kenneth Kawigo arukugamaho n'Abeegi abahigira ko bazahabuzora Maisho ahakuba abantu bindi bazorira Maisho okubanyagahe byabo.
There are challenges of security, especially during this season where new students or fresh students are reporting. Because, as I said, there are many temptations, there are many opportunists who want to take advantage of the new university students. You may not know the environment you are studying in. You may not have appreciated the culture of the university, and as such, many people want to take advantage of you.
Kawigo hashoborire ngo Abeby'Okwerinda n'ibitandukana abantu ntabwo cyo buri umwe kire kutwara umwogogo nkakikuru.
As students, this is a war because you are in a war. First, to fight ignorance. You are in a war to fight hunger. You are in a war to fight disease. You are in a war to fight poverty. I am sure the expectation is that your parents have in you is to fight poverty.
Professor John Mugisha Vice Chancellor w'itendekero hagizire ngo bonki itendekero bine kwatagana nongi na n'imyanya y'Abeegi barukuturamo ahubwo ko bajunanzubwa ahabeegi aba
twine hostels zetu accreditingire is realist yitu of students are in a stage ntubagambira ngo muzo mu hostel eje muzo mu ryeje cyako tuzicebire tugiriyo twareba mutindo kuziro kandi uzabeegi bitu barukuzamo konka ntubahabura number 1 ngo mugendo mu group 1 muzayo wako mu room yawe ochinge nuwako baryo mu room yawe beri ndo kugenda nyekiro
buri ntandukwa ya semester yo kubanza Abeegi abasya muza university nibashomesubwa habintu bitaro bimwe na bimwe biro kubasa kushongera ninga kucumbagize mishomere yabo nk'Abeby'Okwerinda okutura n'abantu n'ebindi byinji gasha kwa Ian Akankwasa ahabwa tayari wese.